Titanic tourist submarine situation explained as banging sounds picked up on sonar. OCEANGATE Expeditions sent a 5-person crew on a sub named Titan to the Titanic wreckage site on Sunday morning. The Polar Prince research ship lost contact with the sub about an hour and 45 minutes later. The sub was lost about 900 miles east of Cape Cod in the North Atlantic in water roughly 13,000 feet deep. The US Coast Guard estimate that the Titan will run out of oxygen at roughly 11 AM on Thursday. A British explorer and Surrey-based father and his 19-year-old son are among the 5 missing on the vessel. Yesterday, a Canadian aircraft detected underwater noises in the search area suggesting signs of life. Their reports claim that banging noises have been heard on sonar, bringing new hope to the search, but the vessel remains missing. Courts have found that OCEANGATE were repeatedly warned of possible catastrophic safety problems by engineers 5 years ago.